Hello everyone! Here, we present a new tutorial for the brand new AI board from System Electronics, Astrial. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to harness the power of stepper motor drivers to control motors with precision and efficiency. Whether you're building an automated machine, a custom robotics project, or any other motion control system, learning to drive stepper motors opens up a world of possibilities. Astrial is the right platform to run these projects because it's full compatible with several drivers and Raspberry Pi hats. So you can use this tutorial as a reference to start countless setups from 3D printers and robotic arms to CNC machines and camera sliders. Here's what you will need for this tutorial. One Raspberry Pi CM4 I/O board, one Astrial board, one stepper motor hat, and two stepper motors NEMA 17. Now let's move on to the hardware setup. Connect the stepper motor hat to the CM4's GPIO header and wire up the stepper motors to the hat. Follow the schematic closely to ensure you connect the motors correctly. Each motor has two sets of pins on the hat for its coils. Connect one motor to the pins labeled A1, A2, B1, and B2, and the second motor to pins A3, A4, B3, and B4. Don't forget to connect the power supply to the hat to turn it on using the switch, and to regulate the input current using the potentiometers. With the hardware in place, let's move on to the software part. First of all, let's copy the entire folder for this tutorial to the Astrial. It contains an example script and the custom DRV 8225 library to control the motors. Now let's connect to the Astrial via SSH. Make sure to replace the IP address with the correct IP address of your device. If you haven't already, install the GPIOD Python package. To enable all the necessary GPIOs, copy the DTB provided in the resources directory to the correct folder. Then reboot the Astrial. Reconnect to the Astrial using SSH and go to this tutorial's folder. Finally, run the example script. You should now see the stepper motors rotating in one direction, then switching and rotating in the opposite direction.